We're gonna figure out two things today. Why it blew up and how much it's gonna cost to fix. We're gonna pull the motor, we're gonna check out the damage, assess the situation. I'm a little hungover. I sent him naughty videos last night, I don't even remember.
This guy sent me a 1 minute video of him just, you know.
Don't even, just
drinking.
A 1 minute video, that's all you gotta know.
I didn't know you lasted that long.
Oh shit.
Si te lo sigo jalando, va a tronar el de arriba. Este con el de abajo como...
Oh no, put it back. I just need a 10 millimeter.
This guy doesn't give a fuck if it's scraping or not, he's just gonna pull it.
My wheels in a bend, I'm gonna scratch it. These are expensive. Hey, why does he get a fucking fuzzy on his?
I'm just more important. Your deck.
Would you guys want Coronas?
Fucking food, bro.
I was watching too much Nelk Boys, fool. I got on the Nelk Boys vibe. I got fucked up. All I was do is drink.
You see the other channel? In the shit or something.
Shithole.
Shithole, there it is.
Yeah, other food. Just
just him.
I was watching that yesterday too.
I watch his shit more than anything. Fuck, is that a thong deck?
Well, don't be fucking draping my car like that.
Wow.
You could hear the air like still fizzling out. I was like, tss.
Why you got a smile on your face?
What are you smiling about?
Let me call you back.
Scraping.
On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up. And that's fucked up.
Oh yeah, he's got coolant in that throttle body.
God.
Pray for him. When an engine blows up, everything just kind of goes everywhere. The path of least resistance, which basically is your wallet.
That's that C's candy right there, bro.
Oh wow.
What does it taste like?
That's oil, coolant, that's all the sauce. That's the full send sauce. Hear that? It sounded like he's pulling rods through the block. That'd be cool if you did though.
Oh, it's a boy.
Oh, money. Wow. That's,
There you go. That's a keeper right there.
if that ain't full send,
Hey, put that on a necklace.
that is dope.
That's a cross, fool.
My guy.
Vin Diesel shit.
That's pretty amazing. I've never seen one come out with the wrist pin like that. You see it?
Well, that just goes to show you that the wrist pin froze.
That is wild. Oh, I'm excited to get this out of the car now.
The wrist pin froze.
Dude, I am so excited to pull this motor right now. Start making a shopping list. Pistons and rods, they're gonna be probably 1,700 bucks. Then at that point, you might as well do the billet main caps. That's another 500 bucks. And that's not even the hard part. And then at that point, if you do main caps, you're gonna have to send the block to get machined for it. So you gotta do the honing. That'll set you back another 600-700 bucks. Dude, literally everything, just cams, 600-700, pistons, 600-700, rods, 600-700, like everything, dude. It's just, and people are hoarding these motors right now, dude. Every GTE VVTi motor on eBay is like $7 grand for no stupid reason. People are buying them in bulk and they're just driving the costs up. Dude, literally a year ago, you can get GTE non-VVTi motors for 3,500 bucks, 4 grand. And now non-VVTi motors are like 7 grand, 8 grand. And all because of it's supply and demand. If you got them, you can ask whatever you want for them. Which is cool, because if you own one, then you're sitting on a nice investment, but when you're looking for one, dude, it makes it really hard. And then you gotta get titanium everywhere too. he's mad. Dying inside.
Shit in pieces, though.
Sad,
No,
sad
stuck out
boy.
on.
Roadman tears right now. Raise core.
Forgot that 2012 swag.
I like the color, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna make the call. Stylist, you're fired. I just fired my stylist because of you, bro. What's up, fool?
Back on.
Yeah, congrats with all this shit. Damn, there it is. Trade in the Z06.
Right now.
I don't think you've driven one full bolt on.
I haven't. That's how I'm gonna drive yours. I'm gonna launch yours.
Nah, hell no.
Dude, I woke up at like 6 in the morning. Today we had our Syck Wraps Grand opening. We've been open for like about a month now, but finally we did a little car event. Hella people came through. Actually, it was a bigger turnout than I thought. That shit was crazy. We also revealed my GTR wrap today. I didn't want to get rid of the black, but the red does look good. I'm not gonna lie. No, it's crazy, bro. I went with like this red, metallic, midnight red, I think it's called. I think it's so sick. I love it. Bitch. I just need Anthro's hood now, bro. Anthro's hood.
I told him, bro, you just go pick it up. Yeah,
I need the hood.
He's gotta help me find one in stock, and then I told him I'll hook him up with the hood, bro.
I think with the hood, bro, it looked crazy. Dude, we also did this i8, which came out pretty sick.
Damn.
But that one came out hard.
I heard my GTR is coming in here.
Bro, I've been telling him.
I heard my Supra is coming in here
Supra,
too.
the GTR, everything. Yeah. We've only been open for like, maybe like a month, maybe 2 months, and we already done probably like 15 cars maybe, dude. I don't know. Shout out to everyone who pulled up. That was freaking awesome. I also brought the drift car. That shit sounds crazy. Finally, everyone was able to see it, bro. I've never brought it out to like a car meet before. That was the first time I ever brought it out, but it sounds crazy. It's like the freaking loudest car I've ever heard, bro.
You know what's funny? I used to be like, yo, why don't you just drive it on the street?
Everyone tells me
yeah,
that, bro.
But when you hear it in person, you're like, all right, I
there's
can't
no
drive this shit.
way, man.
No way, bro. Hell no.
It's too hot out here. I'm gonna go back to the car. Edit my pics.
I'm gonna say this right now. I fucking hate Infinity.
You what?
I'm talking about this all fucking yesterday. I hate it. Hate that car.
Why are you hating on Infinity?
I hate it. I'm sorry.
Wow. I love Infinity.
Fucking hate it.
You know why? Nissan gang.
Nah.
You know what I fucking hate? You know what I fucking hate?
Nah, don't even say it, dog.
I hate fucking Volkswagen.
Nah,
Volkswagen
fuck
is
that.
fucking trash.
Nah, Volkswagen's my shit, fool.
Nah.
Fucking Volkswagen makes Lambo and Audi.
So what?
Tripping.
So what? You can say Nissan makes fucking the GTR, R34, R32. You love those. Same shit.
Yeah, but just the Infinity.
You see?
I feel like Infinity is that like Scion brand, like that off brand that's like nobody really likes.
What do you think about the STK?
I love them.
Rigo loves them.
They're cool.
I know Rigo loves them.
They're just really expensive. If they weren't that expensive, I'd buy
his
one.
pants going up. Oh, look at that camcorder. That shit's hard. Panasonic.
Oh, fuck. Hell yeah. I'm gonna go flirt with that fool.
There goes Nathan fucking flirting.
Yo, that camcorder is sick as fuck, fool.
I appreciate you, bro. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice
I'm
to meet you.
Pleasure. Yeah, bro, I'm trying to get those wheels. Those are crazy. That's chill, you know what I mean? It's like
That shoots on VHS tapes?
yeah.
Oh, shit. Shit. Talk about the fact that Nathan just met a TikTok fan. He's like, oh, I seen your TikTok, bro. I'm a big fan. It's a pleasure to meet you. This was TikTok famous, bro. That if we had like, hey, you make beats? I was like, sometimes, bro.
Hey, rematch.
Come back, bro. Just come back.
900.
Make me catch fire.
I was rewatching the video. This was putting in work, fool. He was all like, So there's this thing that the owner of CNC, he is getting a bunch of cars on consignment, I think it is. And he's basically not, like he's defrauding like a bunch of people out of their money and cars. And it all came like at once. And this page called Baller Busters, they exposed them, and then they like literally within the next day, they sold all their cars. They put their lot up for sale. The owner sold his house. Like some crazy like scam shit, like crazy.
What?
Yeah. And I wanted to go check the cars out, but I guess we can't no more. You didn't know?
No, I didn't hear about that shit.
I think I that's what I heard.
Trying to get out of town, you probably sell shit for
Just trying to skip
Yeah.
town and shit.
Damn. Hey, we found you, Poppy, bro. Where the fuck you been, bro? I've been looking for you.
Doing my job, dog.
Man,
How you guys living?
you know, kind of sad.
Why?
I don't get to see you.
Zip
It
tie.
felt like at least.
My hood pins.
Damn.
But yeah, it's an E46.
Is that what holds the hood there?
Yeah, because I haven't put hood pins in yet.
Oh, yeah.
On the other day, I forgot to put zip ties right here. And I
Yeah.
drove the car on the street and the freaking hood flew open.
Ooh.
It's all dirty because of the track, but
That's 52?
that's 52.
Yeah.
E46 M3 motor.
Yep.
But it's fully built, cams and pistons and rods and all that stuff.
412 killed it with this
I
build,
know.
bro.
Single turbo.
They're, yeah, you
I need to drive it more.
You gotta
dude.
show it more love, bro.
I know. But it's crazy, bro. It's wise fab, angle kit,
Yeah.
coilovers.
You know what I think it is?
Everything.
You need a drift buddy with like a truck and
That's what I'm
fucking
saying.
tow.
Or like some
Because I know it's a
standalone.
bitch to like
It is, bro.
tow and you can't drive it on the
Every
street.
time you take it out, it's like, dude, it's like 1,000 bucks, bro. Tires, trailer, truck, gas, everything.
Oh, this shit
Full
crazy.
cage in it.
Yeah.
It's like FD specs, so like it could pass tech.
Oh
It
shit.
can literally, you can race it in FD. And it's a real M3.
Yeah.
A lot of people were talking crap when I first did it.
Cause they thought it.
They're like, no, they're just like, bro, M3s are harder to find. And
Oh
now
yeah.
there's
now
one less
there's
one in the
less
world.
one in the world. Yeah.
I'm trying to convince my dad to buy an F80 so that I could drive it and mod it.
Bro, I'm back. I finessed them.
Feels like home, huh?
Bro. I can't stop smiling. Kill that. Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro! Oh fuck! Oh shit! I just turned into a bitch. Bro, kids, remember, put yourself when you're in a GTR.
Yeah, let me lock my fucking seatbelt.
I can't breathe. I took it for granted. Fuck, bro. Oh, shit. Fuck. I want my car back.
This guy's sending RD text messages right after this phone.
God. Bro, what the fuck? Bro. Oh my god, my heart's racing. Bro. This is the greatest fucking car ever, bro. Oh shit, my heart rate is crazy. This motherfucking shit pulls. The Supra is slow as fuck. I used to think the Supra was fast. Trash. This is what my shit felt like, bro.
It is time. It's the perfect summer night.
3, 2, 1. We're off.
You cracked the fucking oil pan.
Wow, you need an oil pan.
Fuck.
It's, dude, imagine an explosion of cast iron and aluminum at 6,000 RPMs. It's, dude, it's like devastating to the internals. That's pretty wild.
Damn, it's not even a full piston.
Finding out the damage is what's hard because you have to assess what parts you can use and what parts you can't use. Just keep it nice. But once you've got that figured out, then you know what to get, and then once that's done, it's just putting it all together.
Right there, right there, right there. Ah, wait, Mateo has a whole gallon.
Oh, fuck.